Okay, now we're moving into the ad options, and as you can see, the first one on the list is the top sidebar tab, and I've specified that to be 320 pixels right here so that you don't forget. Whatever you want to put there, if it's an image and if it's 320 pixels wide, it'll fit perfectly. Let me just show you what's there right now so you can see what I'm talking about. This blog happens to sell an ebook, so I have an ebook ad here that links to the ebook sales page when you click on it. So that's where the section is. Now let's take a look at how we can control it in the options. The first thing on the list is whether or not you want to enable it. So if I want to disable that ad, whatever I have there, I just click the check mark, save all changes, and whatever's there will now disappear. So I'll enable that by unchecking it. Now I'm going to skip this field for a second since we're already talking about an image, and come right down here to the image location. So basically wherever your image resides, you would put the URL right here so that it shows up. And then wherever you, in the destination section, wherever you would like the image that you specified here to link to point to, then you would put that URL in here. You don't have, right, as you can see, I have a /ebook here. That's because I'm just sending it to a page on the same blog. So the root URL is here by default. So if you wanted to send it to an external URL, you just put the full URL here. So let's go back up to this section where you can put custom code like AdSense or an opt-in, or you can just write some text. You can throw HTML in there as well. Let me just show you how it works quickly. I'll just type something. Hey, it's Sweet J, and then I'll save all changes. Let's go back and look at that. Now you'll see the ad has disappeared and it says, hey, it's Sweet J. Now let's go back and take a look at that. This is important. You'll see that I still have the image specified here as well as the URL, but as soon as I put something in this section, it will override whatever I have here. So this comes first. Whatever you put in here, it'll show by default. So if you want the image to show up, then just be sure to have this completely empty. That's pretty much it. You know, if you want to have AdSense there, you just grab your AdSense code, get 300 by 250 if it's AdSense. If you're creating an opt-in code, then and you can control its width, make it 320. I've specified this section to be centered as well. So if you do put AdSense in there, it'll look decent. So that's that for the top sidebar section. Let's move on to the next one.